This stunning 1890 carriage house enjoys an open, eclectic floor plan full of historic details. This truly unique home is located in the heart of the charming Edgewood neighborhood. A brick walkway leads you through the front gate to the double-door front entrance. The first floor is a large open space with high ceilings ideal for creating an artist's studio, home office, or workspace where you can perfect your craft. This lower area has a laundry room and enough room to support a guest suite with a renovated full bath. Double doors at the end allow you to access the stone patio. Cathedral ceilings showcasing exposed beams stretch across the second floor of the home. Host company in the large sitting area warmed by a freestanding soapstone wood stove. The adjoining chef's kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances and opens directly into the sunny dining room. Step out onto the deck and enjoy outdoor dining in a serene private setting. Completing the second level is a full bath and a guest bedroom. Up the ornate spiral staircase is a lovely loft area where a master suite rests with a private half bath and Juliet balcony. This location offers great walkability. The William Hall Library is just down the road, or you can visit the local marinas. Patuxent Village is a delightful area full of locally owned shops and restaurants. Lush parks occupy the surrounding area, including Patuxent Park and Roger Williams Park, home to the renowned zoo and Carousel Village. Providence and its vibrant culture is less than 5 miles away from this quiet neighborhood. For more information, please visit the property website or contact the Green Sweeney team at area code 401-339-5621 or 401-864-8286.